Hi, welcome to Spa Virgin Presents Tips and Tricks for a Better You. I'm Jackie Etchevest, and today I'd like to share a little Valentine's love with you.
Oh, really?
Not that kind. No, I'm talking about real love, the kind of love that sustains you forever. And what is that love? Well, when you give a Valentine's gift, what is the #1 gift that almost everyone receives at Valentine's? Chocolate, right? Everybody gets a great box of chocolate. Did you know that that box of chocolate that you're giving or receiving is actually not filled with just love, but with many health benefits as well? So many people probably don't even know that chocolate is healthy because we're always told that, oh, it's not good to eat chocolate. But here's the true facts about chocolate. First and foremost, it's the perfect gift for Valentine's Day because it's actually a heart-healthy food. There's so many nutrients and so many chemicals that are derived from the cocoa bean that are actually beneficial for circulation and for heart function. So every time you eat some chocolate, you're actually strengthening your heart. And studies have found that a person who has a fairly consistent diet of chocolate has 1/3 less chance of developing heart disease than a person who never eats chocolate at all. So there you go, the heart and Valentine's Day, right? The other thing is, these same chemicals that are derived from the cocoa bean also increase endorphins in our bodies. So when we're releasing these endorphins, we have all kinds of energy and vitality, and we feel good and we're happy. And they also mimic the same feelings that a person gets when they're just falling in love or feeling really passionate about someone. It's that same feeling. So again, chocolate and Valentine's Day, the perfect companions for each other, right? So another thing that you may not actually realize is that chocolate, whether it's dark or whether it's milk chocolate, is really no different. We've been told that dark chocolate is healthier for us than milk chocolate, but really the same chemicals and endorphin releasing agents are in both the dark and the milk chocolate, and the heart benefits are in both. So really, eating dark chocolate is not really healthier than eating milk chocolate. They're both beneficial for you. But here's something you may not know. We've been told also that white chocolate is much better for us, right? Because it doesn't have all the chocolate in it. But guess what? It doesn't have any chocolate in it because it's not chocolate. There's never been a coffee bean that has ever met up with a piece of white chocolate. There is nothing chocolate in there. It's basically a vanilla cream piece of candy. So if you're eating white chocolate thinking that you're getting some kind of benefit from that, you're not getting any benefits from it because it's just plain old candy. So go back to the dark or the milk chocolate. Another factoid about chocolate that you may not know, this little piece of chocolate is excellent for dental care. Did you know that chocolate helps prevent gum disease and dental tooth decay? And you're going, what? That's not possible because chocolate is full of sugar. Well, that's true. Sugar does cause cavities. But again, these great chemicals that are found in the cocoa bean are really great for preventing plaque on your teeth. They help keep the gums healthier. Again, there's a circulation issue. It helps keep everything running optimally, and it keeps your teeth and your gums healthier so that you get those great checkups at the dentist. Now, because of the sugar though, and because sugar does help cause cavities, you would want to brush your teeth. So if you're eating a bunch of chocolate, yeah, you should brush your teeth, you know. So you don't want to throw away all your toothbrushes and replace them with candy bars because that's not going to get it. Keep the toothbrush, and when you're done eating your chocolate, give your teeth a little brush and get the sugar off your teeth so it's not sitting on your gums or sitting on your teeth, and enjoy the benefits of the chocolate, of better dental care, but still all the fun and pleasure of eating the chocolate. So really what I want to say here is that chocolate is a really healthful food. It's good for so many parts of our bodies. It helps us live really happier, healthier lives. And chocolate is really an excellent food for humans. It's been reported that a human can eat up to 39 full chocolate bars and have absolutely no adverse effect if they eat it all in one sitting or within a course of a day, actually. But the 40th one, for some reason, there's something about the 40th one that has crossed the line, and now that can cause adverse reactions. It can be, whether it's rashes, whether there's heart attacks, strokes could happen. But my point is, you can eat a lot of chocolate and only just reap the benefits from it without any bad effects. But the same is not true for our little pets that we love so much. So never feed chocolate to your dog or your cat, because they can't break down those chemicals and they can't digest them, and most animals will become ill and will actually die soon after ingesting any kind of chocolate. So never ever feed any chocolate to your beloved pets. So I know you're going to probably want those diamond earrings, and that's good, and you should get the diamond earrings. But also, when your Valentine says, what would you like for Valentine's this year, and say, I want the diamond earrings, but please, could you wrap them up in a box of chocolate, because I want to live forever to enjoy my beautiful new diamond earrings. So just remember, enjoy the diamond earrings, but enjoy the chocolate. Eat chocolate every day. Make it a part of your daily diet. And that is me, Jackie Etcheves, giving you some Valentine's Day love. So enjoy, and thank you for joining us today as Spa Virgin presents Tips and Tricks for a Better You. Happy Valentine's Day.